In this video, I want to give you the exact BIM techniques that we've tried, tested, and perfected that has beat any other BIM application method that we've used and has allowed us to scale optimum design accuracy and efficient construction document completion in just 1 week. We want to start out by inserting our CAD file. We go to the tab here, the import tab, and we will select drawing import, and we'll select the file that we want to bring in to the BIM software to model. If you don't have a CAD file available, then you will follow the steps of creating a CAD file. And once you get that completed, then you move on to step 2. Alrighty. So now that we have that CAD file imported, loaded into the software, let's go around and check. And again, if any walls come through with improper thicknesses, go ahead and make sure they correct those walls and make sure they have the correct thickness. I just noticed that our floor drain is in the wrong place, so I move that over some time. If you import things in, things sometimes need to be adjusted. So I'm gonna go ahead and align this wall here and take another look around the plan. Everything looks okay. I'm gonna give it a save. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to step 2, and we're gonna create a foundation. All right, now I'm going to change the exterior siding. We're going to use stucco, but I'm going to go ahead and select the polar white for this design. Go ahead and select that. Then from there, I'm going to change the muttons, my window muttons. I'm going to go with the darker smoke color there, very close to black. That will match really well with the siding that we're going to select for the front face of the walls as well. So then I'm going to just copy and paste to each different piece, just paste and paint it to each different piece. I'm going to go around and select all the windows and doors. Sometimes when we copy it, it'll get all the windows, and just need to check and make sure that it's copied over to everything. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that to the muttons window buttons here as well. And then we'll make sure all of our windows and doors all match and look alike. Let's get this bathroom window here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a beam here for the back porch and also for the front porch there. Got our beams there, and I'm going to now change these walls to stone, to the stone face, where we're going to add a stone siding to the front face of each wall here. And we'll copy that from the front to the back, and then I'm gonna line this wall with the back bath wall as well. All right, now that we got that completed, we are changed our back walls to stone and our front and back face of our walls to stone. We'll go around and we'll go ahead and paint the garage door and we will paint the seal. We'll adjust the seal to be wood as to match the beam. And create our ceiling layout. And here my solid lumber is running in the direction that I don't want it to run in. I want it to run in the opposite direction. And so I'm going to go here, select this tab, edit edge, and reference edge to get my solid lumber to run in that direction. It will go from wall to wall. We'll go ahead and extend our ceiling material also over to cover the front and back porches as well. And I'm going to use the trace roof command here, and I'm going to trace the outer wall. So I want my roof to run over in this direction. So of course we're going to do two roofs. I'm going to do scallion roofs. And what I want to do here, I wanted the first roof to run here in this, to cover this entire direction is where we traced. And in order to make the scallion roof, we'll do plain gable corners there. In order to make the scallion roof, we're going to make the inside of that needs to be a gable. And the front and back also on the tabs, if you see here, needs to also be a gable. All right, so we're going to make this pitch to be 1 1/4. So I'll set my beam height to the proper height. The way my roof can reference that. So we have a beam over the two openings. All right, let's take a look at the model. Looks like that worked. It was needing to reference the beam, so we'll just adjust the pitch to the proper pitch we're looking for. Alrighty, so that's what we want there. So what we're going to do now is what we want the walls to do is we're going to use the fit to roof command. What we do is we'll copy clip the wall from the main floor and then paste it to the second floor in the exact alignment as the lower position, and that way it aligns perfectly. And once that's completed, we're just going to carry that wall over across the underside of that roof across the building. Voila, we got that covered there. On this side of that roof, and we're gonna make that a tongue and groove. What we'll do now is we'll adjust our beams here, and we want our beams to slope to the underside of the roof to follow the path of the roof. My ceiling materials disappeared. Sometimes working on the internet or using the internet, some things like that happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and redo that for both sides and reattach that, because as you can see, we've already attached it and it's just disappeared mysteriously. So we'll reattach that. We'll just follow the same pitch as the roof. So that makes our ceiling material and our solid lumber to follow the same pitch as the roof. So, and once we zoom back into the model, you'll see the underside of the porch. The roof is actually the material is actually sloping, as you see there. Blah. I think that the roof fascia and the gutter there to match the doors and window trim. I'm going to change this roof to a slate pattern here. All right, voila, and it's completed. Very nice, very sleek, very modern, very unique. And it's that easy. Now, if you'd like some help modeling this for your business, then you're in luck. I would like to personally work with you to help you develop a BIM strategy that will work for your business. Just click on the link below and we'll schedule a time to talk.